Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and Justin SVT and I got together with a bunch of our car friends and had a fun little meet that I just wanted to share with you. Now, first off, go follow KCYBC. He's one of our good friends now that's down here with us, and he owns the original Bullitt Mustang that Justin SVT and I first sat in and drove. This was the first Mustang we ever rode in. Justin has a full video about it on his channel, so I'll put links to Casey's channel and Justin's story on this car. But this was really cool to meet Casey in person, and we're going to be, I'm sure, doing a lot more stuff together now. And we just had a great time talking. So we'll show you a little bit around this Bullitt and how special it is. It's Vortec supercharged and just a really nice car. Our other good friend just picked up his black Terminator. So this is really cool to see. Very good condition. I think it was in the low 50,000 mileage range, and just pulleyed Cobra, and very clean example of it. So we're having a lot of fun talking cars and getting used to looking at it. He put a brand new set of headlights in it that just really made it look sharp. So really nice looking Cobra here. Here is Patrick's Terminator. So this is one that we were just working on, putting new idler pulleys on, some little things, and it came from being our friend Lou's car, and he had done a full restoration on that. I'll put the link to some of those videos in the description as well. And of course, here's the Bullitt again. So this is Casey's Bullitt, and this car just has so much history. We're so excited to see it today and to just have good conversations and talk with Casey. So Vortec supercharged, intercooled, and really, really nice car. The beautiful Bullitt green, dark Highland green, still very deep colored, very beautiful. And when you see that color, you only see it, you only think about the Bullitt. So that's a very exclusive color. Here's Justin SVT's True Blue Bullitt, Eaton supercharged with a Torque Tech kit, and my Screaming Yellow Terminator, one of 299 coupes made. Just put the T56 Magnum in this, so I have install videos on the Magnum, the RXT twin disc, and everything else. So just check video description if you want to see more on that. Now let's hear some comp cams chop. So the original owner of this Bullitt, when Justin SVT and I first saw it, did something really cool. He took the GT badge off the fender, put extra Bullitt badges, and then this 9mm WCC, or Western Cartridge Company, round, and it fit perfectly where the GT badge would go. So that was something that we thought they came that way until Justin and I saw on other ones that it just said GT. We thought that they had messed up at Ford.
It's a kid in a candy store.
So here's Justin SVT. Casey let him drive the Bullitt, which was really nice of him and a dream come true for Justin. So that was really cool to see him smiling so big. So when the Bullitt was brand new, the first owner put SC 435 for 435 horsepower. Now it just says SC for supercharged. And I think Casey had added the Vortec logo. So go follow KCYBC on YouTube. You're going to see some sweet drifting in that Bullitt. You're going to see him off-road on some motorcycles and some really nice scenic drives and some really cool stuff. I think you'll really like his channel. So here's a quick walk around. 2001 dark Highland green Mustang Bullet. Mach 1 delete for the grille. Mach 1 chin spoiler, darkened headlights. These gold wheels that accent that dark Highland green color just beautifully. Of course, the Bullet badging that we mentioned earlier. It has the original Bullet mud flap and rocker panels. Now, the side scoops were changed out by the original owner. At the time, we were talking to him about that too. Inside, pretty much stock interior for the Bullet, the shift knob, everything, but very nice condition. And the paint is so deep and green, so beautiful, and it's that Bullet only. I only see that color, so it's associated with a Bullet. You may know that the Bullets basically had the '01 Cobra seats, but in all leather, so that's a cool Bullet thing. The Bullet original fuel door with the hardware that's still beautiful, not rusted, the running horse on the inside. So Bullet specific piece, which I have an OEM original brand new one of those in the box. And the wing was also added before Casey got it. And here goes our friend now with his Terminator, and you'll see Justin do a flyby. So back to the Bullet here, stock cats with Flowmaster welding, so it keeps the Bullet original tips. So the only thing about Flowmasters you got to watch, because a lot of times they burn a hole in the top of them, and then it burns underneath the seat. So you got to kind of check up on them if they're an old kit to make sure they're not burning the underside and melting your seat. So we'll look the car over with them a little bit more at some point. But here it is idling, Vortec blower, sounding really good with the whistle.
This is the Vortex 2? Yeah, B2. Okay. And this is on
So yeah, this is the oil feed line.
Oh, really? It felt so crappy. Normally they plummet.
Because it's coming from the oil filter adapter, oil pressure sensor area. And then there's the return line. Slight exhaust leak, but puddle lamps for dancing. So our other friend had this really cool Grand Sport that was cammed. Now listen to the difference in the active exhaust. He even had it on a key fob. That's cool, dude.
It's like vacuum, so it's like vacuum actually, so sometimes it'll catch up.
So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Check the video description for more videos that are similar to this, and where you can also follow Casey and Justin SVT. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.